So I just picked up this Chinese 110 pit bike, I guess is what it's called. But basically I got it on Facebook as anything else for like 600 bucks. The only thing wrong with it was it has a dead battery, which I charged. The guy just said the electric spark didn't work, which is super easy fix. And it needed a new gas cap, another $10 fix. And then basically I'm just gonna try and figure out how to wheelie. I mean, I've had it for like a couple days, so I've attempted, but I've watched every YouTube video there, so there's not much else I can do to like prepare for it other than try. So let's see how that goes, or doesn't go, I guess. So with 2 feet on the ground, it seems pretty easy. And then you start going really fast, and then it's not so easy. I'm out of breath, and this is like a pit bike wheelie. So this is crazy. And then I see a bunch of videos, the guys are like, start with 2 feet on the ground, get that done, get the like weight positioning and all that stuff figured out. And then throw a foot on the rear, or the right peg, I guess, where the rear brake is. But then I have my right foot up, and I just tip over. Keep trying that, see how it goes. How am I too fat to wheelie and not get out of breath? What kind of cardio do I need to do? More wheelies? I heard someone say that you have to keep your body weight below the front tire. So like when it's up, your body weight should be like here. But if I don't have my foot on the rear brake, I'm just like toppling backwards. Thankfully it's a pit bike, so I can like walk, but more figuring out. I do notice that when I start to get going, like in a wheelie and I'm going, I have to like chase it with the throttle because I'm leaning forward once I start going. So I think I need to like tell my brain to think to just stay leaning back. Dude, that's so hard. It's like telling your brain like you're gonna expect to fall, so continue to lean into a fall, because my body just wants to like lean forward and save it. I just want to rip a pit bike wheelie. I kind of thought I would just be able to learn how to wheelie in a day. I'll just keep trying. I've got this whole like dirt road going behind like my neighborhood, which is like right there, and then it goes all the way this way too, and there's like a little trail. So I'm gonna figure out how to get my GoPro set up to my helmet, and then I can at least rip trails. Everybody likes that. We're going to pick up a little 50cc dirt bike that I bought on an auction site like 2 days ago for $100. It does not run. Says there's a crack in the gas tank, which is a really easy fix. And I'm pretty sure this is like a little Chinese dirt bike. So we'll see how it goes, but I did get it for my wife, so she has something to ride. And I think it'll be really funny to watch her ride it. But if anything, it's just another little fitter to have around the house. Just a little pee-wee sized one. Extra small. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh. I don't think I'd be able to. My knees at the handlebars. This thing has been through ice.
A lot. Not as good as I thought it would be. But I think it can be okay. I'm just really curious to see how it goes on getting it started and running and everything, because it's a 50cc 2-stroke with a crack in the gas can. But it's really easy to maneuver. What do you think? You think you're gonna like it?
I don't think I'll fit on it. I mean, we know I don't fit on it. We'll have to see.
We'll see. Maybe I'll trade it for something else.
Oh my goodness.
Another, maybe a little bit bigger thing. We'll see. So it has like a little push thing to start the fuel through it, like a weed whacker does, because I guess this is basically a weed whacker motor. So I just primed that. But it still dies. Trying to figure that out. All right, so I ended up just ordering a brand new carb for this little thing. It is a lot more work and probably not worth any of the money that I'm spending on it, but it might be fun in the long run. So let's see if the carb was the issue, which I'm pretty sure it was. Lawnmower, motorcycle, chainsaw. This motor's pretty wimpy if it's the same one that goes in a chainsaw. I guess this carb is the same one that would go on a chainsaw. Which, to be fair, it's technically 49 cc's and a pocket bike. So I kind of knew it was going to be lame already. But now this one has an idle adjustment screw. This one doesn't. Hopefully The reviews say they put this in their lawnmower and it started up right away. So hopefully it's the same thing for this little bike. I don't know. Let's try and do this without spilling a bunch of gas. That's kind of my only real goal. Unfortunately, I think there is a huge build difference in this little pocket bike that's Chinese and this one that is also Chinese, but the 110 KO 110 works really, really well. And this little, I don't know what brand it is even, GB Moto DB1, it's horrible. And I'm pretty sure the issue is there's an air leak somewhere, either on the intake side through the intake manifold or the exhaust side, because no matter what I do, it needs choke to run, which is telling me it's running too lean, which means it has too much air, because no matter what adjustments I make on the carburetor, it will only run with the choke. So gotta figure that out. Gonna figure that out by this weekend, because I want to take both bikes on a little trail that I found. Hopefully my wife will go with me, but we'll get it sorted out. It'll be worth it in the end.